G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. Today we're replacing yet another cabin filter, this time in a Ford Territory 2013 model with a 2.7 litre diesel engine in it. So where's that cabin filter located? Same with a lot of the Fords, it's fairly easy to replace. It's just in behind the glove box there. It's tucked in over there. What we do need to do is pull down either side here and here, like that. Just let it hang or let the whole thing drop out on the ground like I did there. And it says, what's it say? Open and close. Open. And, oh, it's one of these ones, yes. Good on you, Mr. Ford. Let's save some dollars, shall we? Let's cheapskate out on the people. So Ford, in all their wisdom, have decided that a sieve is good enough to stop dust. Crazy people, what were they thinking? Fortunately, what I'm going to replace it with is much better than that. It's an aftermarket one, but it is a conversion over, so it's pretty good. Today I'm using a Ryco brand, and as you can see, it's an RCA 100P down there. It says breathe easier. Now I'm sure we're going to, because it's a proper filter. It's not a piece of rubbish sieve like it was in there before. Not only that, they give you a nice set of instructions, plus a new trapdoor together with the proper adapted filter. So let's pop that in. Now it's got foam all the way around it, and I can't see an arrow. So in that sense, we won't be facing in any particular direction. I assume that we have this hanging out so that we can pull it out next time. Even this particular Ryco brand is made in China. Never mind, it should do the trick. So all we do is we slide it in there. A little bit doit like a doiger. Give him a wiggle and a jiggle as per normal. Some of these fellas are a little bit funny that way. And we can put in our trapdoor now, and that should finish the job. We'll pop that little fella in there. To put our trapdoor in, we have to shove it right up the top there, the tippy top, as far as we can go. That's about it there. And then it should fit in between those little legs there and there. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely jubbly. Just across there. So you could hear it clicking into place. It's got little legs that fit into these grooves here, and then make sure it locks into this groove over here as well. Fairly simple fit, not a bad job actually. Good on you, Mr. Ford. Oh, can't believe I just said that. Next, our glove box goes in. We can see the hinges locate into there and there. And they sort of just slide in there, then they rotate around, give them a bit of a shove, and these little fellas on the side get pushed in here and here. There, ouch, caught my finger. That should go in. Shut the door. Okay, make sure that your mat is nice and clean. I'll give that a bang off shortly to get rid of any debris that's fallen on there. There we go, nice and clean. The Territory will live and breathe another day, and so will the customers. There you go, short and sweet. Cabin filter in a Ford Territory 2013 with a 2.7 litre diesel in it. You can pop this one in your playlist so you can refer to it when needed. I hope you got something from this video today, guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, feel free to comment down below. So until next time, guys, this is MiracleMAX signing off. I will catch you later.